How to remove Windows 11 activation mark. So if you're seeing a constant activation mark on the bottom right of your Windows computer, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you want to make sure to remove this and activate your Windows. Now, there are definitely some ways to activate it, but the way that I would recommend that is that you use the official Microsoft Windows version. And for that, you have to purchase the activation key in order to activate your Windows and to also unlock all of the features completely. And in order to do so, you can simply go to the search bar and then just type in activation or something like that, right? And you'll find this option that says see if Windows is activated. You want to make sure to select that particular option there. And over here, in my case, my activation state is already active. But if you see that it's not active, then you might want to make sure to click on the activate option from here by entering your product key. Or you can also choose to change your product key or also upgrade in the Microsoft app. And this way you should be able to remove the Windows 11 activation mark. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.